But hey y'all, my name is Kemonie Akira. Welcome to January's issue. That's my channel. Yeah, hi, welcome. This video about to be like a Christmas vlog because I got plans for the holidays or whatever. So yeah, y'all about to come along with me, about to do all that. So today is the 22nd. I got work today, so I'm wearing my hair like this for work because it's work. That's all I got to say. So y'all, I just got off work or whatever. I'm about to get ready to go, I guess. Like, I'm not about to fix my hair too much. I just wanted to brush up the back. I might just fix the bun. But how was your day? Let me know.
In the cut with Shanti, she be wildin'.
Already. I'm ready. Damn, I'm about to spill it.
I'm ready.
Clink.
And I'm a
Hi vlog, this is Jada, This is Jada and I was assigned to fried chicken. I'm just cutting off any little extra fat. I only got one contact in y'all, so I can barely see. But you gotta make it do what you do.
And I'm the reason. Niggas love a bad bitch. Yeah. What Suki say, nut on my tits. Pound town, just left pound town. Where my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out.
Currently, it's our Friendsmas Christmas thing.
Friendsgiving.
And it's our Friendsgiving Christmas nights. And we got games, we got drinks, we got food. Everybody was assigned to food. Y'all seen earlier, Jada was on the chicken. I made the baked macaroni and yams. Shanti made cheesecake, but I haven't showed y'all that because that's in the refrigerator. Lilly made deviled eggs and rolls. Y'all see we all like wearing matching pajamas. Like, we just chilling. I'm gonna let y'all, we gonna keep up with y'all throughout the night.
You cereal girl. Okay. I'm so fucking hungry, y'all. This is my starter plan.
Yeah, Jada ain't nothing all day. She just was cooking. And we about to start drinking when we already took a shot, as y'all saw. But Jada need to eat. And let me show y'all the wings she made. So this is the chicken, y'all. It looked really good and it tasted good. It's hot, honey. It's good. We got somebody else bringing chicken. We got somebody else bringing. We got two people bringing greens. You know, y'all just gonna see. Y'all just gonna see. Everybody's here.
I'm excited.
I'm excited too.
Hi, Lilly. Lilly, Drew.
I know you
Alright.
He froze. He don't know what to do.
He's not recording. For real.
And Shanti and them still working on our game board, y'all.
Hi vlog.
There go Blue. Hi, Blue. EJ brought, he brought some fried chicken, some fried wings, cornbread. He brought some greens. Let's see how they taste. Taste. Honest reaction.
You some shit talking. It's good.
They do all have on pajamas. Ready? Sit up. Wait, hold on. Do they know where to go? Sorry, y'all. No.
Hurry, come on.
Anyway.
This is the lineup, guys.
Where's that weed container, Shanti?
Hey, guys.
I'm up in
The plate's over here.
God, I just love how we all matching.
Yeah, you see that?
Everybody got on the
Yeah,
matching.
and if you come different,
You
you're
was
done.
getting the boot.
You're done.
You're done. Hey guys, so this is tonight.
Okay, I'm in the cut.
And the to this bag. Everybody just walking past. Hey. Made by Lilly. Hey.
Hi guys, it's Shanti and Kemonie.
Hey, no, can we
Say hi to the vlog. You using California.
Hey, you can't use your fucking.
Okay, y'all, so this is the end of the vlog or whatever. We had a good time.
It was crazy, y'all.
It was
We had
a good
We
time.
still drunk. It's so much liquor still left. You say Tito's, Malai girl. But
Yeah, it's still a lot of liquor.
No, you didn't.
But yeah, so yeah, that's all we got. That's all I did for me. So, like I said, let me know if y'all like these type of videos in the comments below. And we're done.
Bye, vlog.